How to buy Creation Network token. So this token came under the symbol of CRNT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simple as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. This token right now, it's in the pre-sale. So if you want to buy this token, click on their official website from their X, and you will be able to redirect to this page and click on the ICO. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the pre-sale page to be able to buy this token. Now first, connect your wallet. Now click on connect wallet. Select your wallet from here. As you can see, I will use the Bitget wallet. Connect your wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, so switch the network. Now, as you can see, click on the Binance, and click on approve. So after that, as you can see, you have the USDT to buy with, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here's type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive of that token, as you can see. Now, as you can see, click on buy. So as you can see, now click on approve. Because I don't have any fund, I can't be able to complete the buy process. So for you, click on approve, and you will be able to confirm the buy process to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy CRNT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.